Hey geeks, it's Karthik and welcome back to Codelearn. Guys, in the previous video of Python end-to-end course tutorial, we have discussed about coroutine in Python, and in this video we are going to discuss about OS module in Python. So before getting late, let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video, subscribe to Codelearn Docs channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And meanwhile, you can visit on my other website codelearn1.pythonanyway.com, in which you can learn more than 7+ languages, and you can compile and run your code, and you can use this discussion section to encounter your doubts. So let's continue. So guys, let's open our Visual Studio Code and create a new file, and that file name gonna be OS module. Actually OS underscore module.py, and just let me close this explorer. So guys, now OS module provides our code with a direct connection to the operating system. We can use its different functions to interact and do activities on our operating system. For example, if we want to create such software that need to store or access files from a directory or a folder, we can use the OS module to perform the task for us. Guys, to use OS module, we have to first import it. So you have to simply type import OS and Ctrl to save. So guys, this is the syntax for importing OS module in Python. After that, guys, built-in function in OS module. So guys, there are so many built-in functions in OS module, like print, and guys, let me add a comment here, and that will gonna be built-in function in OS module. So guys, there are so many built-in functions in OS module. For example, print dir OS, it gives a list of all the functions the OS module is composed of. And then guys, the os.get cwd and os.chdir, and then os.list dir, os.mkdir, os.make dir, os.rename dir, I just need rename, os.rmdir, and remove os.remove dir, os.path.join, os.path.exist, and so many. And guys, if you want to detailed information about these, so you can visit my website codelearn1.pythonanywhere.com, and you have to visit this you have to visit this URL, OS module in Python. And here guys, you can see all the built-in functions in OS module. And after that, guys, in this tutorial we have learnt about the OS module with the Python 3. The main purpose of the OS module is to interact with the operating system. The primary use of the OS module is to create folders, remove folders, move folders, and sometimes change the working directory. And this OS module has a lots of built-in functions. Some of them we will already discuss in this tutorial. And guys, now let's write a code in which I will add some comments. First of all, you have to type import OS, and then guys, we have to type print, then we have to type dir, and then we have to type OS. Let's comment out this. So guys, before commenting this, let's run this file in the terminal. And I don't know why this is not working properly. And yeah, you can see guys, this this print dir OS gives the list of all the functions, inbuilt functions that are present in OS module. And then guys, we have to type print, and we will type os.get cwd, and let's comment. Save this and again run this. So you can see this built-in function get cwd is printed. And then guys, we have to type os dot chdir, and then we have to type C drive, basically C drive, and now run this file. So you can see guys nothing happened, but in the I just mean guys in the BWT this OS module changed the working directory, and then guys we will type print os.get the cwd. So let's type print os.get cwd and then save this file, and let me exit from this interpreter. And you can see guys built-in function get cwd is printed. Then guys we have to type a print os.listdir. So let's type print and just wait a second. Yeah, print os.listdir and then the drive name. So in this case I will type C drive. I just mean Control S to save, and now run this file. So you can see guys the all the folders that are present in my C drive. You can see in my C drive is shown in this terminal. So guys, these are the inbuilt functions that are present in OS module. So guys, I hope you understand this OS module concept in Python, and guys in the next tutorial we will learn something more about Python. So for that, bye bye, see you later, and guys don't forget to follow us on Instagram. So bye bye.